When I think about Thermador, I think about quality, and heritage, and history. Thermador offers features that no other manufacturer has. Let's take a closer look at some of those features and what makes Thermador so special. Thermador has been building appliances since 1932, and they've created things that we just take for granted. The first wall oven, they created this in 1947. The first Pro range, 1948. They've been at it for a long time. Thermador has been an incubator behind many of the innovations we now take for granted. 1952, they introduced the warming drawer. 1963, the first self-cleaning oven. 1970, the world's first smooth cooktop. Fast forward to the mid-90s and we see innovations like the super low burner, and in 1998 the world famous Star burner was introduced. This is exclusive to Thermador. You can see that we have a seal burner that sits on a podium, and we have way more surface area than just a round burner. Star burners have a magic trick as well. They automatically turn on and off for an extra low feature. Again, it's a Thermador exclusive feature. You can only find it here. Thermador has embraced induction technology early on, and they have some wonderful cooking technology, freedom to move. You can take a pan, program the time and temperature, and as you move your pan across the cooktop, the program will actually move across the control panel automatically. So what that means when you're cooking at home, you don't need to worry about fiddling with the knobs. Thermador's got you covered. It happens automatically. In 2010, Thermador introduced their steam oven. The steam reservoir built into this oven offers a lot of different cooking capacities in one appliance. Let's take a look at this Thermador refrigerator. Push to open. What does that mean? You can have a handleless design in your kitchen. And that stainless steel interior is beautiful. Thermador is an American company that has built their reputation on design and quality. They have European style handles and pro style handles across the entire range. When I think Thermador, I think innovation in the kitchen. Don't forget that Thermador offers their Leap into Luxury program. This is a 4-piece package that starts around $10,000. That's right, a range, a microwave, a dishwasher, and refrigeration in the $10,000 range.